Today I am going to narrate a short story on the topic Only 22. My late uncle, aunt and cousins in Kathmandu called me Tshering. By the time I left Kathmandu after a 2-month stay, the people there knew me more popular as Only 22. In fact, I heard that was the name by which they recalled me every years later. The name would have never stuck if Bhutan had an international airport at the time. Back then, most Bhutanese traveling abroad drove to Bagdogra airport in India and took a flight out from there. One winter, I was there in Tshering with my grandmother and aunt, having returned from seeing off my uncle at Bagdogra. There, we met my mother's cousin and her children, all headed to Kathmandu. "Do you want to go to Kathmandu?" she asked casually, and so changed the direction of my journey. Both my aunt and grandmother tried to coax me back to Thimphu, but as a boy of 7, I was old enough to know the crying and willing would get me what I wanted, and also young enough to do it shamelessly. The next morning, I was in the back of a Land Rover with 2 male cousins. The 3 of us shared a mattress, pillows and blankets, so we slept most of the way to Kathmandu. It was 2 months of picnics by the riverside, rafting and kayaking. We went to the market frequently to gorge on local sweets, and the 3 of us caught fish and crabs in the mud water behind the house, which was roasted over a fire. The Bhutanese national soccer team, Thimphu 11, came for lunch one day, and we watched the stars juggle balls on the lawn. The team was in Kathmandu to take part in a major tournament. Apart from the outdoor trips, I recall frequent dinners in the house when the family invited friends over. It was during one of those dinners that an elderly gentleman called me to his side and asked, "How many momos did you eat?" I replied, "Only 22. If you like the story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.